Proverb 21:20 says, "The wise store up choice food and olive oil, but the fools gulp theirs down." Hello, guys, and welcome to my channel. It's me here, Felicity, and I'm so happy to have you on my channel. Yeah, if I see my face for the first time, you're welcome to my channel. And my OGs, you know how we do it, right? Thank you for constantly coming and thank you for constantly showing up for me. You are the reason why I'm still here. Yeah, I know at times I just get, oh, the reception is so poor and I disappear. But guys, today I have this interesting topic I want to talk about. But before then, guys, please do not forget to hit the subscription button, okay, and turn on the notification bell so you will notify when I post new videos, right? So the topic for today is how to save money as a makeup artist, how to save money. I know we all know it, because I know some of the challenges we have is being able to keep money. Not like we don't make the money, we make the money, but being able to keep the money, okay, it's a problem, because when you're able to keep the money, you can invest the money. When you invest the money, you get more money, right? So number one on my list, don't spend above your earnings. I know that most times or at times you'll be tempted to buy certain things and all the rest, but please, you are just starting. Even if you've been there for 6 years, all right, there is time for seed planting, there is time for weeding the grasses, the weeds, taking them off, and there's a time for you to reap, right? So you cannot eat your seed. So learn not to spend above your earnings. Do what is right, all right? That's number one. Number two, buy only the products you need. So as and when I train, I remember my boss keeps saying there's a don't buy the product you don't need. I know that you have your favorite influencers, you have your favorite MUAs that you follow. I know that new products keep coming every now and then. The first thing you should ask yourself is that, do I really need this? Can I work without it? If you cannot work without it, you can buy it. If you really need it, you can buy it. But if it's something you cannot work without, I don't think you need to buy it. All right, you don't need to buy certain products at a certain time because you are still growing your earnings. All you need is to buy the products you need, because there is no day, there is no season that new product doesn't come. All right, and most times for me, I take my time. I don't buy immediately. I take my time and say and watch reviews. All right, aside from the influencers who are paid to promote the product, there are those who just buy the product because they are product junkies and they use it. They will give you their honest reviews. And there's some influencers who also give honest reviews. I will not tell you lie, but others are just about their belly, anywhere below face. You get that? So please do not buy the product you do not need so you don't regret it later on. See, this one is very important. As a new makeup artist, as a makeup artist, as an up and coming makeup artist, let me tell you one thing. You'll be so tempted to buy every and any product advertised or promoted by your favorite influencer or your favorite makeup artist. Is do not spend as you earn, all right? So this is, we'll just talk about this. Is very important, okay, especially for the married makeup artist. Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm not shooting fire at you. I understand, right, that you're coming back and you see one beautiful dress you want to get for your baby, you see a top you want to get for your son. See, problem no dey finish, cloth no dey finish for market. You cannot eat your seed. And that is why Proverb 14 verse 29 says, he who is impulsive exalts folly. Really, you're just spending on impulse. You're just coming out. Client had just paid you a certain amount. You're just coming out, you see something and you're buying it. Everything they advertise, you buy. Everything you spend. Like, when you keep spending, what are you going to save? How are you going to be able to save? Remember, there is seed that you need to sow, you need to plant, and remember there is harvest time. You cannot use your seeding time as your harvest time. Please be careful about that. Please do not spend as you earn, all right? Set an account aside with no ATM or access to the cash or withdrawal. Now, this is very important. Okay, this actually helped me at the early stage of my career. Okay, because being the first child, you'll be tempted to do everything. Your siblings are calling you, whether they need you or you don't need you. Just there's this responsibility that comes with, oh, I'm the first child, I have to do this. You think there's you heap all the whole family problem on your head, all the expectation, even when they are expecting nothing from you. You understand? Okay, but you need to learn. There's a place of savings. Okay, if you're finding it difficult to save in the same account you're spending from, you can set an account aside. Go and open a new account entirely. Okay, do not collect ATM. Whenever a client pay you, just transfer a certain amount into the account, a certain percentage to the account, or any amount. Before you know it, see, now when you gather, now the thing go grow. Do you get my point? So you will want to save. You can have a savings plan with an insurance company or a bank, all right? Thanks to some, okay, there's PiggyVest now, and there is some bank have their PiggyVest, while some they have some savings plan, and some insurance company like Mutual Benefit have this a savings plan. They have from that ranges, I think, from 1 year to 5 years to 10 years, depending. So you can actually do that because you earn a certain interest at the end of your savings. Yes, I know you are looking at the percentage of the savings, but let me tell you something. When you keep gathering, like I said in my previous point, it's going to increase. So it could be another means of you saving. Okay, you know that at the end of the month, this is my premium. This is the amount I'm paying into this account. Maybe you're paying 10,000, 20,000, depending on how you're earning, depending on your plan, right? So you keep saving it. In the next 3 years, see, if you're saving, let's say, 10,000 naira Nigerian currency for every year, right? You have a certain amount set as stay away from Ponzi scheme. Seriously, this is a killer of destiny. I remember the time of MMM. MMM destroy lots of people. So I will want to encourage you, no matter what you do, please stay away from money doublers. Stay away from Ponzi scheme. Okay, why did I add this? Is that MMM has come and gone, and I think I want to believe that a lot of us are now wiser. Okay, I think 2 weeks back I got a text message that told me, oh, December is around the corner. Kindly save 5,000 naira to get 20,000 naira in 7 days time, and I'm like, how am I going to get that? Okay, so being contented and understanding how this thing works, I did not. I just deleted. They say click a particular link and join. And you know what that is? When you click the link, it might not even be you saving now. It might not even be you doing it. If you could click the link that will lead you to a link that would take up all the little savings or the plenty savings you have. So please, you learn to be contented and please stay away from money doublers. These people are killer of destiny. So guys, we've come to the end of this particular videos. What have you learned from it? Please kindly help me drop yours. How are you able to save money? How in the comment section? I'll be waiting for you while we discuss about it. Okay. So with that saying, I say bye till I see you in my next video.